Hello, Mrs. Maguire's class. It's Mr. Bray, your technology teacher. Hope you didn't forget about me yet. I know we moved on to our next special, so I have a whole new group of first graders coming in. But I want to share this video with you because since we started our coding on our app called Codable, I've kept track of all the stats of all the lines coded from each individual student and as an entire class. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over our top 5 coders. We're going to go over how many lines we've coded as an entire class and as an entire day 4 group of students. On the board, you can see the picture. This is a picture of the bulletin board out front of my room. So it lists the top coder in each class that I had on day 4, and it has the total number lines of code written by all day 4 students. Just wow, we'll get to that in a little bit. So let's start with our top 5 coders in Mrs. Maguire's class. Number 5 was Colin with 161 lines of code. Colin, awesome job. Number 4 was Isabella with 179 lines of code. Awesome job. Third place with 186 lines, Lucas. Way to go, bud. Awesome job. Second place goes to Zuri. Zuri cracked 222 lines of code. Zuri, amazing job. And last but certainly not least, our number 1 coder in Mrs. Maguire's class is Porter with so close to 300 lines of code. Porter ended up with 280 lines of code. Amazing job, Porter and the rest of the class. So our whole class together, not just our top 5, but everyone in class ended up coding 2,817 lines. That is amazing. For first graders, for what did we have? How long did you have technology? 5 weeks? To code almost 3,000 lines of code is just awesome. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. And you're part of the 51,900 lines of code for all day 4 students. If you look, it's actually on the ceiling. Like I ran out of room and had to go up the wall, up the ceiling. Just incredible. So hope you guys are enjoying your next special. I'm in your hallway, so those of you who are here, make sure you stop by and say hi. And like I said, for friends at home, this is what it looks like in front of the technology room. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.